78% of small business owners who secure $300,000 0 cents loans do so without perfect credit or collateral. The secret? They understand exactly what banks are looking for before walking through the door. How can you secure a $300,000 0 cents business loan when traditional lenders seem to say no? The funding landscape for mid-sized business loans is more accessible than most entrepreneurs realize. While many business owners focus solely on traditional bank loans, there are actually 7 distinct funding sources for $300 0 cents business loans, each with different qualification requirements and timelines. What documentation do you need before applying for a $300,000 0 cents business loan? Preparation is everything. Lenders require a comprehensive business plan, including 3 years of financial projections, your personal and business tax returns from the past 2 years, bank statements, profit and loss statements, and a detailed explanation of how you'll use the funds. Think of this documentation as telling your business story through numbers, not just paperwork. For a $300,000 0 cents loan, most lenders also expect to see a debt service coverage ratio of at least 1.25, meaning your business generates 25% more income than needed to cover the loan payments. Imagine your monthly loan payment is $5, 0 cents. Your business should generate at least $6.25 in monthly income after expenses. How important is your credit score for a $300,000 0 cents business loan? While conventional wisdom suggests you need perfect credit, the reality is more nuanced. For SBA loans in this range, most successful applicants have scores above 650, not the 720 plus many assume. Alternative lenders may approve loans with scores as low as 600 if other aspects of your application are strong. Remember, lenders view your credit score as just one chapter in your financial story, not the entire book. What collateral options work best for securing larger business loans? Commercial real estate typically provides the strongest collateral position, but equipment, inventory, accounts receivable, and even intellectual property can work. Many entrepreneurs don't realize that an SBA 7 loan for $300,000 0 cents may require only 10-20% collateral coverage if your business shows strong cash flow. One often overlooked strategy: consider cross-collateralization, using multiple, smaller assets instead of one large one to secure your loan. How can you improve approval odds when seeking $300,000 0 cents in business funding? Establish banking relationships early, even before you need financing. Businesses that maintain accounts with a lender for at least 2 years are 60% more likely to receive approval for loans in this range. Consider starting with smaller credit products like business credit cards or lines of credit to build a business credit profile. Each positive trade line on your business credit report increases approval probability by approximately 15%. What alternative funding sources exist for $300,000 0 cents business loans? Beyond traditional banks, explore online lenders like Funding Circle or Cabbage, which often have more flexible requirements. For established businesses, revenue-based financing can provide $300 0 cents with repayment tied directly to monthly revenue instead of fixed payments. SBA Express loans can deliver up to $350,000 0 cents with approval decisions in as little as 36 hours, compared to the 60-90 days typical for traditional SBA loans. Because securing the right amount of financing often depends on understanding specific qualification requirements, the next video reveals the exact debt-to-income ratios, time and business minimums, and industry-specific factors that determine commercial loan eligibility, giving you a significant advantage over other applicants.